Hi all, I'm doing a quick video on the unboxing and quick look at the Logitech Gaming Keyboard G110. Right, so this is the box itself. So it has the custom color backlighting, integrated USB audio, which we'll get into later, and programmable G keys on this side. And what else do we have here? Pretty much giving you all the features there. We have 12 programmable G keys and 3 macros per key, and this is a good one too, which I'll show in a minute. Game and desktop mode. So that's what we have there. Alright, let's proceed with opening the box itself. That's what we have inside. We got this white box here. So we got the keyboard. I don't think there'll be much in here. It'll just pretty much be the keyboard itself. The packaging is pretty neat. So I have this opening here, and this back like that. Get rid of it. Nice looking keyboard there. So this is the USB cable. Actually put a cap on it that connects to your computer. There's a standard there, the G10 label. It feels nice. Yeah. Then, which we'll get into a bit of the details later on the keyboard. Just put it away for now. So, what do we get there? You have a quick start guide of the unit itself. So it gives you, it tells you how to connect things in English and in some other languages. Important information booklet. Let's see how important it is. It tells you something. Something about ergonomic stuff like that. And this is the G series profiler. I think it has some useful softwares, including drivers and all that for the unit. So what else we have here? That's the last thing we have actually. Let me put it away. This is the palm rest for the keyboard itself. There. Okay. Let me just quickly show you keyboard itself. So first of all, you're gonna have, this is the Windows and game mode. So I'm not sure which is which, but when you go into game mode, that Windows button, sometimes you press it by accident, it will, minimize your game, which is annoying, and then you're gonna lose like 5 to 10 seconds, depending how fast your computer can reload the game, and you might probably be dead if you're playing a first-person shooter game. So it's good, you can lock that. And then these 2 ports here, this is for your mic and your headphone jack, and 3.5mm connectors there, and this is for USB port, so you can connect your USB device there. And this is all the media buttons on the top right hand corner, and this is for the volume rocker, pretty neat. And this is for mute, standard number pad there, standard set of insert, delete and all that, and standard set here as well. And then these are the programmable keys labeled G1 all the way to G12, 12 keys, and we have three sets here of macros per key. So in total you can program up to 36 macros pretty much. The MR button is the button that you press when you want to start recording the macro. And what else there? So we can have to stand there. So adjustable. And it is just a wired keyboard. There is no wireless mode or anything like that. And last thing I want to show you is where you hook up your palm rest. So just like that. on the side. Right. See, that connects to there. Same thing on the other end. Okay, it's connected now. Okay, let me just remove that bit. That's it. I'm good to go. I'm just gonna plug it in and see how it performs. Okay, so thanks for watching, and post questions if you have any, and please subscribe. Thank you.